In assets, you have a lot of control over dynamic content, and you can bring in the number field to create dynamic ratings. I have this review website that I'm creating, and I've created a review asset. What I want is to place a rating element here, but I don't need to come and update it every time manually. I can just enter it within the asset information and then dynamically bring it into this page. Let's see how we do that. Go to the builder, and from the CMS, select the asset, can be block. In this case, I've made my own custom asset called reviews, and click on the configuration icon on the right. Scroll to the bottom, and you see here all the fields that you can bring in, and we select number. After you've selected it, click on it again and access the toolbar all the way from the left, and I'll give this one a label called rating. Required, yes. And you can add a description and a placeholder if needed. The rating element works on a scale from 0 to 5 or 0 to 10. I'll just stick with 0 to 5. But I don't want to give it a 0, so I'll say a minimum value of 1 and a maximum value of 5. And now we've set up this field. Click outside or just click on Save and Finish. I remind you, remember to click on Save and Finish, otherwise it's unsaved and gone. Now we've updated this template for the reviews asset, we still need to go and actually add this. So I'll click here on the reviews to get all the assets in here. And then this one, Avengers Infinity War, I'll select it. Scroll to the bottom, and then here where you see the rating, you can enter then a number from 1 to 5 and even breaks in between. So let's say I go for 4.2. I'll say update. And now we also have to bring that rating element onto our page. So it's 3 steps: change the template, come and put the entry into the field, and make sure you've added it within the builder. I'll click here on edit. And then we go to add elements, and my rating element over here, click, hold and drag, and I'll drop it where I want it to go. Let's style it out. I'll first put it on the left. I'll change the text, my rating. And then let's change the color for the text can leave black. The rating we'll put on the purple, right? Let's make it a little bit darker. And then we go all the way to the left where you see rating. This is where I told you you can have a rating scale of 0 to 5 or 0 to 10, but we've set it up for 0 to 5. You can change the style, the label, spacing, but where we want to go is here where the rating setting is for how much actually. Now it says pixel here, shouldn't be pixel. It's out of 5, right? All we need to do now is select the dynamic content disks and then select the rating from the drop down. You can see it even updates here on the page. What did I put it for? Hover over it, 4.25. Update it and you can go view it on the front end. Let's refresh this page. And in no time, we've created that custom field within our asset. We've created the number field and we've connected it to the rating element. In future, every time I add new movies within the assets, I can just type the rating there, create a global block with the dynamic content, and then it will populate as I enter that information in the backend. If you want to learn more about blogging in Brizy Cloud, the link is in the description below. It takes you to the playlist for the Brizy Crash Course Cloud Blogging. I'll see you in the next video.